嘿，大家好，我是史老师。今天我们要学跟母有关系的字，然后学跟上有关系的字。The first characters we will learn today are related to the character for mother, pronounced 母, 母, like tree but with a dipping tone. 母. Now, we've learned another character for mother before, ma, and these are different because this is more formal. It's more like the concept maternal, 母. Now, the next three characters are all based on this in appearance. Next, we have mei, mei, just like beautiful, exact same. Mei. This character means every or all of. We'll use it to say things like every day or everyone. Mei. Now, if we add 三点水 to 美, we have ocean, pronounced 海. Hai. The idea here being that an ocean is all of the water. Hai, just like hi in English. Last, hui. Hui. This is a xin, meaning heart, with mei. This character means to regret, or a regret. Hui. Our next four characters are all based on shang, just in appearance. The first character is shang with a yan pang, the speech radical. Rang, rang, ran, rang, rang, falling tone. Rang. This character means to make or to let. Now, in Chinese, these are conflated into one concept. This will be a little strange for us at first, but over the course of grammar in class, we'll work on making it more clear. 让只 pronounced just like only. 只 This character means cease, desist, stop, to stop doing something. 只 Now, if we add a 土, earth or dirt radical, we have, again, 只 This means address or physical location. So it's the place that you stop, the dirt that you stop moving on. 只 Last in the set, 正 正 falling tone. This character means formal or proper, and it has another meaning of currently, as in to be happening right now. We'll talk more about how that's used in our words. Now we have three more characters to learn. First, 进 进. This hashtag with the pace radical means to enter, and it's pronounced exactly like close or near. 进. And again, another 进. 进. This character is composed of 林, meaning woods. Right under is a 是, which we've seen in 票, ticket. This character means to forbid, as in to completely disallow something. 禁. Now our last character for today, 是. 是. This character, pronounced exactly like to be or affairs, means in the style of, in the way of. For instance, we would say American style food, Japanese styled food, etc. 是. That is all for our characters. For today's words, we're going to learn first 父母. 父母. This character on the left, 父, we've seen before in 爸爸 and 爷爷, so father and grandfather respectively. The commonality, father. This is the formal word or character for paternal or father, akin to 母, meaning mother. 父母 is a formal way to refer to your 爸爸 and 妈妈, parents. Next, we have 每天. 每天. So every day is simply every day. Now, up till this point, we have been saying tian tian for this purpose. However, from this point on, we should start saying mei tian. So one last time, mei tian. Shanghai. Shanghai. Sound familiar? On the ocean refers to the city Shanghai, located in southeast China, right on the ocean. Shanghai. 大海. 大海. Big ocean is simply our word for ocean. 大海. 海鲜. 海鲜. Ocean fresh means seafood. So fresh things that come from the ocean. Seafood. 海鲜. 后悔. 后悔. Regret. So behind you, regrets, or the things looking back that you regret, are your regrets. This is most often, though, a verb for to regret. 后悔. 进步. 进步. So advance or enter and step. This means to improve or to advance at something. 进步. 走进来. 走进来. Walk, enter, come is how you say come in or to come in. 走进来. 禁止. 禁止. To forbid. Now in China, you'll typically see this outside of doors or at parks, saying things like 禁止入内, meaning forbidden to enter, or 禁止抽烟, meaning forbidden to smoke here. It's serious when you see those. Follow the rules. 禁止. 地址. 地址. The ground address is very simply an address. 地址. 网址. 网址. The net address is the web address or a website. 网址. 美式. 美式. Now, beautiful style actually means American style. This is a contraction of the phrase 美国方式. 方式 being the formal word for style or method. So 美式, American style. We can also in this way say things like Japanese style. 日式, so 日本方式, Japanese style. 老式. 老式. Old styled or outdated, old fashioned. We can also use this to say things like new fashioned or modern. I'll let you think of that one. 正式. 正式. So the formal style. This means formal or proper, often used with things like attire or a manner of speech. 正式. 正在. 正在. 正在 means currently doing, as in the process of. So actively doing a verb. We'll talk about this in our grammar section. Lastly, 公正. 公正. Public and proper means fair or just. Not super easy to tie together, so just take it as just or fair. 公正. That's all for our words. For today's grammar and sentences, we will first learn how to use 每 for every, then 让 for make or let, and last 正在 meaning in the middle of or in the process of doing. So 每 very simply translates to every in English, and it's used the exact same way. 每天 every day, 每个人 everybody, 每个小时 every hour. It can be thrown with any noun and it's very easy to use. Now, the one eccentricity is whenever we use 每, we will also use 都. While Chinese people will omit this sometimes, it's a very good habit to be in because it's correct and easy to understand. And the 都 just accentuates the plurality of 每. So, an example, 我们的学生每天都进步很多。我们的学生每天都进步很多。So our students every day all improve a lot. Our students improve a lot every single day. Now, something to think about here. The do is actually more attached to the verb than it is to the noun. And what it's telling us is that because we have this plural noun, this every single day, it's telling us the verb applies to everything in that every day. To make that less confusing, the verb is applying to every single day we're talking about. Do just accentuates that fact. 我们的学生每天都进步很多. Now this becomes really important in the next sentence. So, 每个美国人在拉肚子以后都后悔去中国。每个美国人在拉肚子以后都后悔去中国。Every American person, after getting la肚子, or diarrhea, an upset stomach, they all regret going to China. Again, every American person, after getting la 肚子, they all regret going to China. Now, don't let the fact that do is split up confuse you, because remember, do goes with the verb and it tells us that this is a plural sentence. The simplest way to think about it. And also take note that 每个美国人, you can use any kind of noun you can think of with 美 to express every. Very easy. So, 让. 让's meaning is to let or to make. And really, context is the clue that'll tell us which meaning it is. In Chinese, these two separate ideas conflate into one thing. So let's look at some examples of that. 父母让我说话说的正式一点。父母让我说话说的正式一点。So my parents make me speak more formally. Speak words, speak more formally. In proper English, my parents make me speak a little more formally. So in this case, we know it's 让, because there's no, or that 让 means make, because there's no real situation in which a kid will have his parents let him speak more formally. That doesn't really make sense. So context here is king. The context tells us this definitely means make. Let's look at another example. 我不让你吃海鲜。我不让你吃海鲜。I will not make you eat seafood, or I will not let you eat seafood. Now, the sentence alone gives us no way to tell the difference. The only way we can discern is by context. So for this sentence, we would need to know what else is going on to understand what it actually means. So think about that again. Context with 让 is king. Now our last piece today, 正在, is very simple. It means in the middle of or currently doing some kind of action. So, an example, 我正在开车，请你找他的地址。我正在开车，请你找他的地址。I am in the middle of driving, or I am in the process of driving. Would you please find her address? Another example. 学生正在上课，禁止入内。学生正在上课，禁止入内。Students are currently in the middle of class or in the middle of taking class. You are forbidden to enter. So again, 正在, very simple to use. Goes right before a verb, means in the process of. Now, take note of here, 禁止入内. This is very formal language, and typically this is how 禁止, to forbid, is used. This phrase literally means forbidden to enter the interior or forbidden to go inside. When you see phrases like this in Chinese, take the time to look up what those characters mean because it could be something very important, and always follow the laws. 大家, that's all we have for you. Please go over the sentences again, make sure everything makes sense, and I'll see you in class. For now, 加油!